Lemon Tarallucci. Coming up next,
I'm Love What You Eat.
so these lemon Tarallucci cookies come together very quick, no chill time. You're basically making the batter, rolling them out, putting them in the oven for a quick bake. They're cooling, a bit of an icing, sugar on top, and that is it. Classic for the holidays. We're gonna take you on a close look to show you how to make these. Honestly, a lot of things that you already have in your pantry.
Yeah.
This is why it's
very simple ingredients.
Yeah, this is why even more so a very easy cookie to make. Shortening, sugar, milk, baking powder, lemon zest, eggs, flour. That is it. We are going to be sifting the flour, you'll see us do, just to remove any type of clumps. It's gonna go in the bowl. We're gonna be gradually adding our Crisco, our shortening, and then afterwards we're going to be adding sugar, the lemon zest, some eggs that will beat in, and then once that creates a batter, we're gonna gradually add in the milk, and that basically creates our dough.
See the beautiful specks of lemon.
Throughout the whole time we've been doing them, she's been still stealing my knife. When her knife is right here.
Talking so low, nobody heard you.
I said, you didn't see before, but when we were doing the first cheat tray, I asked her for a knife because we kept sharing one. But then when she got me one, she kept still stealing mine when she had her own. So I kept going for my knife, but it was never there. I said, can you stop stealing my knife? So we showed you two different ways. The classic knot. And then also I was doing just a little spiral one. They do puff up a bit because we do add baking powder, so don't make them too big. If not, they're gonna be still a very delicious but larger cookie. But to do the knot, I mean, you still need the lengthwise. to get the knot in. So just keep in mind that the shape that you're doing and the shape that goes on the baking tray, they do. She took it again. Did you see? Not on camera.
Camera doesn't lie. She has proof. No, you're gonna hurt yourself. Remember? And when you're placing them on the baking tray, space them out because, like Nancy said, there's baking powder in it, so they tend to grow a little bit.
They grow. Then I did the little spiral one. So we're gonna keep going, get them all done on the tray, and they will bake at 350 degrees for what, about 20 minutes? 18 to 20 minutes. Yeah.
Obviously everybody's oven is different, you know, till they're all nice and golden.
Yeah, like golden under all around.
That's right.
They're gonna, and while they cool, we'll prepare the icing, which is basically lemon juice, powdered sugar.
And powdered sugar.
Yeah, put it over a wire rack. Once they're cooled, drizzle, dunk, and that's it. And then you can top them with sprinkles if you want. Leave them plain. Have some with powdered sugar, icing or not. But it's a very simple cookie.
So many choices.
Yeah. It smells so lemony.
Lemon.
The icing came perfect, and it's looking like we don't even need a double dip. But should you have made your icing a little too runny, that's when obviously you can let it dry in between and double dip. You're really looking for this thick white glazed look. And just wait till they dry, it'll have that nice shine.
And if you're adding sprinkles, now is the time to add the sprinkles.
Yes, you want it to dry, stuck on top of your icing.
That's right, because once after the icing dries, the sprinkles won't
stick.
Thank you.
So there you go, you saw really how simple it was to make. Preparing just the dough for it. There's no chill time required at all. Everything literally came together quite quickly. A little bit longer to roll. It took us a few tries just to get back into the, wait, how do you do the knot again? How do you do the twisting?
We
It was
haven't
so
done
funny.
this since last Christmas.
But that's it. The first few always fumble, and then after that you're on a roll. This made 2 full trays, 32 on each, so it makes a nice batch size. So this is perfect for if you're wanting to do Christmas platter trays, if you choose 4 or 5 different type of cookies you want to bake, and then you want to put a bit of each cookie on top. This makes for a perfect way to do a good 4 to 5 platters. And the kids love them, the adults love them. They are so good. So the icing set perfect. You see that? Nice and thick is what you're looking for. Keep them in the fridge, or put them in the fridge if you want the icing to dry a little bit quicker. If not, honestly, half hour's worth, an hour countertop, it's fine. I would not suggest, like my mother, also putting this straight in the freezer. You want to put them in the freezer plain.
Because once you put them in the freezer, I mean, the icing is going to tend to crack and it's completely going to fall off. So freeze them without any icing, and when you're ready, just like thaw them and icing as you wish. And like we said also before, you could sprinkle them with some sprinkles, all depending on the event or the holiday of the season.
Yeah, New Year's, your New Year's colors, your golds, your silvers, or those clear white ones, and then Christmas, your classic green, white, and red. I really want a lemon zing, so I'm going for the full icing one.
As am I.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take this one. Oh, this one. favoriti.
So nice and soft.
Refreshing, and they're so tender.
Mm-hmm.
Really, really good.
The perfect crumble. I'll crack one up close up, but these honestly are delicious. That lemon icing, you can do icing with powdered sugar and milk, powdered sugar and water. We chose to add lemon juice as the liquid like you saw my mom make. It just adds that little bit of extra. You can also zest a little bit on top if you don't want to put sprinkles. To me, the more lemon the better. I love lemon.
Like lemon.
This is so good. A classic. Give it a try. If you do, let us know in the comments down below. And also check out our website at www.loveitchewy.net, where you will be able to find all of our recipes replicated up on that website with photo aid to help you recreate to the T, or help inspire you to create your own. Change up the flavors a little bit if you want these orange flavored or whatnot. Have fun, enjoy the time with your loved ones and your family, and that's it. New episodes every Sunday, and until then, thanks for watching and continue to
Love it, you eat.
love it you eat. Bye for now.
Bye, happy holidays. Buon Natale a tutti.
Perfect. Okay.